In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breakout rooms in a Zoom meeting. Breakout rooms are an incredibly useful feature in Zoom, particularly if you're hosting larger meetings, workshops, or classes where you want to facilitate smaller group discussions. These rooms allow for more intimate and interactive participation, making your sessions much more dynamic and engaging. So, let's dive in and explore how you can successfully set them up. First, you'll need to navigate to the main Zoom interface. When you're in a Zoom meeting, look towards the lower part of your screen, where you'll find a menu across the bottom. You want to find and click on the button labeled More. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available to you. The More option is essentially a gateway to all the additional features Zoom offers beyond the basics. Once you click More, a list of options will appear. From this list, you're going to select Settings. This step is crucial because accessing settings gives you control over numerous functionalities in Zoom, so this is where you can find the Breakout Rooms feature. Make sure you're in the correct settings menu, which can often be mistaken for personal settings outside the meeting. After selecting settings, scroll through the various settings until you find Breakout Room. This particular setting might not be immediately visible if you haven't enabled some advanced meeting features, so ensure your settings are configured to show advanced options. Here, the Breakout Room option is like a switch that you enable to allow room creation during a meeting. It's essential to make sure that you toggle this setting on. If it's off, you won't see the Breakout Room functionality within your meeting. With the Breakout Room option found and enabled, click on Add. This action will formally activate the Breakout Rooms for your meeting. Once added, during your meetings, you'll see a new button labeled Breakout Rooms in your meeting controls. By clicking this, you can set up and manage your breakout sessions, selecting how many rooms you'd like and how participants are assigned, either manually or automatically. Remember, ensuring good practice, let your meeting attendees know if and when you plan to use breakout rooms so they're prepared for the transition. This approach not only improves the flow of your meeting, but also encourages active participation and helps manage expectations. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now add breakout rooms to your Zoom meetings, enhancing interactivity and engagement in your sessions. Whether it's for a quick discussion, a brainstorming session, or an exciting group activity, breakout rooms provide the flexibility and organization you need to keep your meetings productive and lively. Thank you for tuning in today. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth Zoom tutorials and tips. Happy meeting!